Today we're going to be teaching you how you can make your own watercolor paints. It was super interesting to try, and obviously I'm not very talented at watercolor, but I do like to try to use it sometimes. So it was really fun to be able to make my own. So what you're going to need is gum arabic. I'm going to use some glycerin, this is optional, honey, some type of pigment to color your watercolors, and then you'll need half pans or quarter pans like these. So I just got this whole case from Amazon, and I'm gonna put my watercolors in here and let them dry. So then I brought 1 cup of distilled water to a boil, and I'm gonna add a quarter cup of the gum arabic, and then a little less than 1 tablespoon of honey. And then about 12 drops of glycerin. Then I just put the mixture back over heat and let everything dissolve. And now you're ready to start mixing. Now I'm just gonna take equal parts of pigment and the gum arabic mixture. So I'll do like probably 2 teaspoons of each, and then just mix it really thoroughly on this plate. And then I'll scoop everything up, put it into the pan, and let it dry. Then I'll just wash my dishes in between and start with a new color. So I ended up only needing to use 1 teaspoon of the pigment and 1 teaspoon of the gum arabic mixture for each half pan. And that worked perfectly. So now I'm just gonna let all of these dry for like 2 or 3 days until they're completely solid, and then I'll pop them back in the case.